Welcome, dear students. Today's session is on the topic leadership. But before we go to this topic, let me ask you a question. Have you ever been a leader of a class or a team during your school time or recent college days? Maybe NCC activities, NSS, or Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers, sports, eco clubs, or maybe ವಿನಾಯಕ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಸಮಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ possessed during those times. While you recollect on those memories, I would like to introduce myself. I am Bindulata S, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, GFGC Hullalli. I would like to walk you through the topic leadership, which comes under the subject organizational behavior for the students of BBA. So let's move on to the learning objectives. We are going to know from where did the concept of leadership emerge from. Under functions of management, where does this concept leadership lie? The difference between a boss, a leader and a manager. At the end, we will have an activity. Behavioral science and the study of organizational behavior emerged in the 1950s and 1960s. The behavioral science approach has contributed to the study of management through its focus on personality, attitudes, values, motivation, group behavior, leadership, communication and conflict. ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ತನೆಯ ತತ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳಿವು. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ಮನೋವರ್ತನೆ, ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ, ಗುಂಪು ವರ್ತನೆ, ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಮುಖಂಡತ್ವ, ಸಂವಹನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಘರ್ಷ. ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿದೆ? ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಈ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿರೋದು, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋ ಮೂರು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ವಿಷನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್, ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್. So now we understand that leadership is embedded in one of the basic functions of management called direction. Can you follow this diagram? ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶದೊಳಗಡೆ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಅಡಗಿದೆ. Let's look at general meaning of leadership. Leadership may be defined as a process by which manager guides and influences the work of subordinates in a required and desired direction, or it is also known as the body of people who lead a group. Leadership is the ability to move a group towards a common goal that would not be met if a leader had not been there. According to Graham, 1997, the reference is given at the end of the slide. Let us look at the importance of leadership. It aids to authority, motive power to group efforts. It forms basis for cooperation. It integrates formal and informal organization. Now let's look at the difference between a boss and a leader. Look at the picture. What do you understand by this? The boss commands to go ahead and he's there right at his position. However, leader influences, guides motivates, and he is also with the team and can observe the person in the front is the leader who is leading the entire group, saying, "Let's go." Now, what's the difference between managers and leaders? Managers focus on things to be done, to do the things right, plan, organize, direct, control, and follow the set rules. However, leaders focus on people. They understand the psychology of the people, they understand what actually motivates them, and they help in doing the right things. They inspire the team, they influence, they build trust, and shape entities. Let us summarize what we have learned so far. Behavioral school of thought, that is ವರ್ತನೆಯ ತತ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತದ ಮೂಲಕ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಮಚ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಾಟ್. ಹವರ್, through literature, if we are getting exposed to this concept, it is through this school of thought, that is behavioral school of thought under management studies. Leadership is defined as the art or process of influencing people so that they will strive willingly and enthusiastically towards the achievement of group goals. Leaders act to help group to attain objectives through the maximum application of leadership capabilities. Leaders must instill values, whether it be concern for quality, honesty, and calculated risk taking for employees and customers. Let's go to this activity. We know the picture whom we are looking at is our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. She is Mithali Raj, women cricket team captain of India. Ratan Tata, ಉಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಟಾಟಾ ಕಾರ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ರತನ್ ಟಾಟಾ is one of the top industrialists of our country. The missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ಅವರು. ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ, the first woman IPS officer ಕಿರಣ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಅವರು. ಸುಂದರ್ ಪಿಚಾಯ್, Google CEO, and Tanya Shergill. Look at these personalities. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಥವಾ 4 ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. And the next is this picture. ಇದು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆ. COVID-19 ಔಟ್ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. We are walking through tough times. Think what kind of leadership capabilities are needed during this crisis time. Let us join in our next class on the styles of leadership. Until then, work out on the activities given to you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.